Sunshine Travel. Today I'm on Explore One and I am touring all the rooms that are here so you guys can see so many of the room categories. And I am most excited about this room. I think out of all of them, this one resonates with me and I hope you guys like it too. So this is the Cove Residence Suite and it is beautiful and I can't wait to show you. So here we go. So this is actually on deck 9. So I wanted to show you this one. So when you first walk in, like this is your view. Isn't this just outstanding? So all along this wall, you have all your little knickknacks. And this is kind of why Explora Journeys calls them residences, because they want them to be you feeling like you're at home. They want you to feel like, you know, this is your home away from home. So we've got all these little knickknacks here. We've got this gorgeous marble table, and you're going to be greeted with a welcome champagne or Dom Perignon, and you've got these gorgeous glasses, and of course that's where that's going to be. So over here we have a desk for you to do any of your writing, your reading, whatever you need to do, because I know I work when I'm on board. I'm your travel agent. So as you know, I work on board and this is a great place to do it. So we have drawers here for your convenience that just pull out. We have a little spot to hold your phone. Of course, you're going to have your USB-A, your USB-C. It's got this lamp is already plugged in, but you can get on the other side a plug as well. You've got lights for the whole room right here. Beautiful lamp. That is just a gorgeous sitting area right in there. I love that couch. You can put your feet out, you can stretch out, and you can just relax. So we're just going to follow this along, and then right here you have something that says see the unseen, and here you have your binocular case. So these are for complimentary use on board. You can't take this one home like you can the slippers. And they've got the information here. And they say that you could purchase some in one of the stores if you really love them and you want to take it home. But I really love the box too. I think that's just beautiful. I'm going to actually just go outside, and then when I come back in, we're just going to finish the room. So right here is the Chase Lounge, where you can just relax and enjoy these ocean breezes. I'm floored at how clean everything is. I know our suite attendant, every day when he comes in, he cleans the outside of these glasses. So often when you're on a cruise, they schedule it once a week and they clean it, kinda. These are perfectly clean and spotless. You have your own jacuzzi hot tub out here. Look at all those jets. Oh my goodness. And you can enter through the living room or through the bedroom that I'm going to show you in a minute. So we're just going to follow along. And I am on Explora Journeys for a 9-day voyage. And I would be able to help you with your Explora Journeys cruise because of my relationship with Explora Journeys. And I've already been here. I've experienced it. So I can help you with your cruise. Make sure you reach out to me at info@plentyofsunshinetravel.com. Now, also included in all the suites is the Techno Gym collection. You can get it when you are in one of the other suites, the smaller ones, but it's by request because they don't want it to take up too much room. So they bring the whole bag in and you can set things up and you can do so many different exercises that are all listed in that book. Here you have your game of backgammon to sit and play. You've got this huge TV that you can just relax and sit there. And of course your sitting area. This is your beautiful makeup mirror. And this one here illuminates, as does this. So look at that. That is just a beautiful makeup mirror. I will warn you, this is a magnifier. So if you would like to see every pore, make sure you use it. It does magnify, trust me on that one. This here is a great spot for some jewelry, for your ties, just to keep all the things together that you'd like to keep together. And you can always see what's in there just by looking there. Right here, you're going to find the laundry bags. There is self-service laundry on board. But if you would like Explora Journeys to do it to yourself, do it for you, pardon me, you can fill the bags and set it up for them. We have got so much room for hanging all of the things that you bring. Followed right along here, you have your frette robes, and they are so soft. Followed right down, they have complimentary use of slippers on board. You can take the slippers home, that's not a problem. And if you need a different size, just let your suite attendant know, but you cannot take the robes home. Okay, so right into here, we have lots of drawers in this cabinet, and there's a mirror right there. Tons of storage space. One thing I do want to show you that I almost forgot. Right here we have the Dyson blow dryer. And this is for use on board as well. There's a diffuser. There's the one that you can use the nozzle and just straighten your hair. It's amazing. It works so well. And it's right there, and there's a spot for it just lined up right there. It's great. Moving right along, we're going to go into the washroom. Now, along in the washroom, oh, we have an energizing bath treatment right here. That's amazing. So we have this shelf that's right there. You can line everything up. And it has this beautiful stoneware that they can put there. This is going to have your cotton buds in it. Beautiful. This soap you can only get on Explora Journeys. This is specially formulated for Explora Journeys. You will not find this scent anywhere else. And it is really, really quality good soap. So we have body lotion from Mandela Blue, hand and body soap. You have shower caps, vanity kit with cotton buds and cotton pads. Or of course, look into that there, because you've got cotton pads there. Your shower caps, and they will just restock that as you use it. Of course, you've got your commode. You've got a little garbage underneath here, right there. You're good. And moving right along into the shower, you have got this amazing area to just sit down and shave your legs if you'd like. I mean, look at that shower head. Wow, it's so good. And you've got this removable shower head that you can use to clean your feet. It's on this arm. You can take it right out. Your water pressure, your water temperature, and of course your hand and body soap, shampoo, and conditioner. You also have a grab bar here if you feel the need. Sometimes, you know, we are on an ocean and there is motion, so you might want to hold on, who knows? And there, of course, you've got your seat to sit down on, but this is, honestly, this has turned into my favorite shower on a cruise line. And I've been on a lot of cruises. And this has just turned into my favorite shower. I just adore it. So we're just going to leave the powder room and the shower. Oh, and there's the techno gym right there. I may not have pointed that out to you. My apologies. And here we have the king size bed. Just right into here. Again, another TV. You've got some shelves. My goodness. Look at all this stuff. And on this side of the bed, once you're into bed, you can control all the lights from your bed, so you don't even have to get up. You have a USB-A, USB-C. You've got your lights here. You've got a beautiful reading light. Absolutely. Very pretty lamp. You can also get 2 twin beds in some of the rooms. If you would like that, if you're traveling with somebody who is not your partner and you'd like separate beds, please let me know at the time of booking and I will find out for you, and I will ensure that you get 2 beds if that's your desire. One thing I really like about this is caring for our environment. So if you don't want your bed sheets changed on that particular day, because do you really need them changed every single day? So put this on your bed, and then your suite attendant will know not to change your sheets. And I like that. I think that's a great way of doing things. It also has this wireless charger. And of course, as I said, you've got your regular plug, USB A and C, and all of your lights. That's wonderful. So this room is just phenomenal. The one thing I did not find yet, and I will look in this closet, is you should be able to find the coffee and tea sets, and I'm not seeing that here, but oh, we've got these gorgeous blankets, my goodness. And these are for shoes. They're beautiful. There's also one other thing that oh, there's the coffee and tea right here. So when you're making your coffee and tea, you've got this for use on board. So you've got this, absolutely, and you can choose your temperature. Oh, state of the art. Amazing. And there you are, you've you've got complimentary water to use on board. You've got your frother, a whole bunch of great stuff here. And then right here, you have your stemware. You have your brews. This pulls out. So you have a bunch of different coffee from full roast to decaf, anything there. A bunch of different breakfast blends, Earl Grey. Oh, there's some more herbal infusions, little teapot, small espresso cups, standard size cups, anything you want, you've got it here. On this level, you've got your ice bucket and you've got your teapot. And of course, more coasters because you want to protect the brand new woods. Explora Journeys is a brand new cruise line, so you want to keep it looking shiny for the next guests. Next, we have our fridge down here, and it comes with a Heineken, tonic water, Coke, Coke Zero, and little bitters as well. When you are aboard, your suite attendant will come and introduce themselves, and they will ask you what you would like stocked in your fridge. And they will make sure that you get everything that your heart desires. So one last thing I wanted to show you in the restroom that I had forgotten to show you is honestly my favorite part. How I forgot is beyond me. I love this. This is your heated floors. I mean, look at that. So you can set it from minimum to maximum, turn it on, and in the morning your feet are going to be toasty. Beautiful for when you're in Iceland, when you're in Alaska, Norway, Greenland, colder climates, or just because you don't want to tiptoe in the morning because sometimes your feet get pretty cold. So this is the Cocoon Suite. Look at that. Cocoon Suite. I just wanted to show you, this is the individualized climate and lights. This is right by the door. It's right here, and this is just amazing. So you can pull the living room blinds by tapping it, and they will be pulled. So you could do lower, and it should be doing it. There you are. And now the blinds are closed. You can raise them. You can do the TV strip light, the sofa spotlight, all this kind of stuff right here. The bar spotlight. You can turn on your chandelier right over here as well. Wow. There it goes. It just turned off. Look at that. Okay, that's pretty cool. And it's back on. Isn't that something? So everything can be controlled right here by this pad by the door, including your thermostat. Right here you can do your fan speed, anything you need, this little pad will do it for you. So that right here is the absolutely my favorite one on board. I hope it's yours as well. Cocoon.